Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a video doing a long-term review of the Shea Moisture Men's Beard Balm, which are these beard balms right here. I recently decided that I was going to grow my beard out again, and so I have already had the Shea Moisture Beard Balm, and it's in my gym bag in the mornings, but I wanted to purchase a separate container for at home, as well as a separate beard brush, so I didn't have to go through my bag and pull this out whenever I needed to use it on the weekends. And so we'll just do a quick review of the beard balm. This is the one I previously had. I've had this probably about a year or so, and so whenever I grow out my beard, I applied this as a beard balm to condition it and keep it kind of like soft and moisturized and prevent it from drying out, which helps eliminate that itchiness and scratchiness as you're growing your beard out. I've had good success with this product. I've tried other beard balms, and I found out that either with the beard conditioning lotions or oils, my face would break out pretty frequently, but with this I don't break out at all, and it does really condition real well. Plus it has a very nice aroma. But this is the original container that I've had. So it's Shea Moisture Men's Beard Balm. It's maracuja oil and shea butter. It shapes, smooths, defines, and looks good, smells great. It's fair trade from that standpoint. I'm not going to go too much on this one because it's an older container, but this is what it looks like. Basically, it's a very waxy consistency that is almost like candle wax, but when you reach into it and grab it, it softens up, and so you can easily dab a bunch of this, spread it evenly across your face, and then use a beard brush to kind of spread it throughout your beard more evenly. But that's kind of how much I've used over time. Not too much because I don't grow out my beard too much, but it's got a very nice aroma. I've had good success with it, and that's the current container. They did change their marketing recently where the container is a little bit different, but this is their newer container, so it says Shea Moisture Men's maracuja oil and shea butter. It's beard balm, virtually identical from that standpoint. And then I'm going to try to read the ingredients here, but basically it has castor oil, shea butter, it has grapeseed oil, caradella wax, cocoa, coconut oil, and then it has carnauba oil, hydrogenated castor oil, passion fruit seed oil, agar, kernel oil, tea tree oil, and then tocopherol acetate, and then fragrance. So mainly a bunch of like natural oils, and then there's a fragrance. And this is what it looks like when you first have it. So it's a very waxy consistency. This is a little bit softer than the other one because I feel like it hasn't like gone through like melting and heating up. But actually this is much softer. So it's much softer, evenly distributes much more easily. And so it's a nicer consistency there. And overall, I absolutely love the aroma here. It's like a nice shea buttery, vanilla-y, sweet aroma. Not too over the top, but it's a nice aroma that when you have it on your face, you feel comfortable with it throughout the day. But what I'll do now is I'll just apply this to my face to just give you a sense of how it works. But I did want to do a quick review. As far as purchasing this, I purchased this from Target for I think it was like $10 to $12, which is a relatively affordable price. This will last forever, so you purchase one container and it'll last forever, as you can tell based on this container. But let's apply this to my face so you can get a sense of that. Okay, so we're going to use the new one just to give a sense of how it works compared to the old one, but it's definitely a softer consistency as far as the waxiness and oil nature of it, so that's a little bit nicer. So it should evenly distribute more evenly across my face. But basically I take like a pea-sized amount, dab it kind of across my face and rub it in slightly. And then what I do is I use a beard brush. This is the Everyman Jack one, and then basically just run it across my face and beard to basically just get this evenly distributed and basically kind of groom the hair as it's growing out and things. So that's all I do. One other thing I did want to mention is I did do a recent video showing a side-by-side comparison of the Everyman Jack to the Cremo brush. You can check out that video, but overall my feedback is the Everyman Jack one's a little bit longer bristles, a little bit more ergonomic design, and it's about $3 cheaper. So if you're interested in getting a beard brush, I highly recommend it. Both of these are at Target. This one's about $13. This is is $10. Either of them will work, but I've had the Cremo one for a while. It's a little bit shorter bristles, but the Everyman Jack one's pretty nice as far as the overall design. My 2 cents there, but that's all I have for this video. So I've been happy with the Shea Moisture Beard Balm. It hasn't made me break out. The aroma's really nice. It lasts forever, and it works really well as far as conditioning and preventing that dry itchiness that you get when you're growing out your beard. So definitely check it out, try it out. If you try it and don't like it, you're not out too much money, so it's worthwhile, I think, in my mind. So thanks for watching and have a great day.